In this presentation we are going to convert a Word file into a PDF file. With our document, which is now interactive and has a content table, a table of contents and a table of figures, before we convert this document to a PDF file, make sure that your table of contents is totally up to date. So again, you do a right mouse click on the table of content, go to update field and update entire table and say OK. Then you do the same for your figures, highlight it, right mouse click, update field and update entire table and say OK. Then you make sure you save the Word file before we go and change it to a PDF file. And then all you have to do is to go to File, go to Save As, and we are going to select PDF. Now in the options you have to make sure that Create bookmarks using headings is turned on, otherwise you won't get an interactive PDF file. You say OK to that and then you say to save, and it will now convert the PDF file. Now if we open up the PDF file, then you will see it is a highly interactive PDF file where you can have all the content as a link. Just open it up for you, and there we have productions. Sorry. And here we are. Right, now it is opening up and I will show you here we are. Now I use a different reader than the one we use at the Poly. I use a Nitro, it's called Nitro. And as you can see, it has all the bookmarks as well, and you use a documentation, you can go straight to the paragraphs that are bookmarked. It has the table of figures in it, and that is one problem. The table of figures is not being made interactive in that conversion, and there is a bug in Word, and it doesn't matter what you do, it won't do it unless you specifically create bookmarks in the table of figures in Word. And that is how you create a PDF document. My advice is that end user documentation should not be supplied in a Word document to the end user, to the client, but should be supplied as a PDF document for various reasons. Not everybody has the latest version of Word. Most people, if not everybody, has a PDF reader. Also, it is a far more secure document. It can't be altered as easily and tampered with as it can be with a Word document. You keep your Word document as your source document, your source file. So if any changes have to be made to the end user document, you do it in Word and not in the PDF document. And then when you have made the changes in Word, you then create a new PDF document. So a PDF document is really the printed equivalent, the electronic printed equivalent of a printed book, which once it is printed you really can't change it. So that's why you always have to keep that source document, which in our case was the demo document demo doc docx, and you keep that as the developer, but you don't give that to the client. And that is how you create a PDF.